All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Sunday's preposition. So downwind. So wind. Let's get a picture of wind. Yeah, there we are. There we are, wind. Yeah, there we are. So if this is the wind, yeah, so wind, in the direction the wind is blowing, so that way. Yeah, downwind. Downwind. I followed it downwind. The leaves all flew downwind. Yeah. Whoops. Let's change that. Yeah. The smells all went downwind. Makes sense. Yeah. We smelt something coming from downwind. Downwind towards us from the wind. I saw how the wind changed, and so did the direction of downwind. How cool is that? They followed the smell downwind. Yeah. He stood against the wind, so his smell did not spread. He stood against the downwind. Yeah. She used the downwind to dry the clothes, for example, with the wind. Yeah. So they all stood there downwind. So they're standing here and the wind is going that way, downwind. I'm following it downwind from here. So wind is going that way. We're following it. Where is the wind going? Where's the wind going? We will follow it downwind. We'll follow it downwind. Yeah. How cool is that? Which way is downwind? It's going to change. How often does downwind's direction change? Yeah. We went downwind from the smell. Downwind, yeah. Yeah. We might need to go downwind from the clouds. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so downwind. The direction the wind is blowing. Yeah. So, can you use downwind in a sentence? Can you use it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.